Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials Point. Today I'm going to show you how to see the YouTube comments that are not shown. So first I would say that if the creator has turned off the comments, then you can't see it. But if that's not the case, then I'm here to help you. So first you need to open the YouTube app. After opening the app, at the top right corner you can see the profile icon. That's your account. Tap on it and you just need to go on settings. Tap on the gear icon, the settings option. After tapping on it, you can see there are various options. So the top option, general, just need to tap on it. After tapping on general, you can see there are various options here. So just scroll down and you can see restricted mode. So the restricted mode is on. So if you want to view the comments, you just need to tap on the restricted mode. And after tapping on it, you can see that the blue color has gone and the restricted mode has been turned off. So after this, you can view the hidden comments on YouTube. So if this video was useful for you, please share and like the video, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.